Hello guys, welcome to the 28th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn about Navlink and URI helper. In the session 26, we have created home, about and contact pages. And in the master page, we have added navbar, but we didn't add links to those components yet. So I will continue to that example in this session. Here, instead of the anchor tag, we can use Navlink. It will internally convert to the anchor tag. In href specify routing for homepage component. Update it for other pages too. Save the file and run the project. Now open homepage. Open about page. Open contact page. Here we have got contents from respective page. And here in the address bar URL also updated. It does not send any kind of request to the server, and also it updates active class on the page that we have opened. Stop execution. It updates this active class based on URL specified in href. By default, it will check for prefix only. In certain situation, you may need to match the entire URL. For this, you can use match attribute. It will take navlink match enum. Its value can be prefix or all. Navlink also updates active class in navbar. Here we have used Bootstrap and its navbar needs class named active to display active effect. But in other framework or customization, you may need to add other CSS class for active effect. For this, we can specify the class name in the active parameter. Let me remove those changes as we don't need it. We can navigate to a different pages after performing certain actions. For example, on clicking the button, you may want to submit details on the server, and after this, redirect the user to thank you page. For this, we need to use URI helper. We have to inject the dependency injection of iURI helper. Dependency injection allows us to make code loosely coupled. We will learn about dependency injection in a later session, but we can inject an instance of this interface. Here, we will redirect the user of home page that we have created in the previous session, and now let's create a method for navigate to hello page. Navigate to hello page. Here we will use URI helper and call navigate to method and pass URL where you want to navigate user, that is hello page. Add line breaks. Now create a button. On its click event call navigate to hello page. Add CSS classes for styling. Go to home. Add line breaks for separation. Now save the file and run the project. Refresh the page. Click on the button. Here we got hello page. URI helper has several other useful methods. You can use those too. It also has event handler for location change. It will call when the location changes. For that, create an event listener for on changing location. Here we will get sender and location change event args. And print on console. Change URL to location. For registering this event listener, we need to override onInit method and add our listener to onLocationChange. Save the file and restart execution. Refresh the page. Open Developers tool. Now click on About page. Here we got the message in the console. It will display an absolute URL where we are navigating. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Navlink can be used to generate hyperlinks. It will internally generate an anchor tag. We can update match and active class from parameters. Here we have injected URL helper. Using the navigate to method, we can redirect the user to a different component. Using onLocationChange, we can listen for location change in application. URI helper have several other methods such as getAbsoluteURI, getBaseURI, toAbsoluteURI, toBaseRelativePath. Those methods can be useful in your application. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.